If I had to start from scratch, with $0 in the bank, here's exactly how I'd reach $100,000 in 12 months. No get-rich-quick schemes. No lottery tickets. Just a clear, focused monthly game plan built on smart money moves, side hustles, and automation. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's break this down, month by month. Month 1, get honest. Track every rupee, every dollar. Know your income and spending to the cent. Use a free budget app like Mint or a simple Google Sheet. Cut unnecessary spending. Cancel unused subscriptions. No more eating out 5x a week. Set your first emergency goal, save $1,000 fast, sell stuff, do odd jobs, even freelancing online. Month 2, build income. Time to earn more. Learn one high-demand skill, graphic design, copywriting, video editing, or even virtual assistants. Start pitching on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Even if you earn just $300 this month, that's your launchpad. Month 3, strengthen habits. Automate savings. 20% of every income deposit goes straight to a separate savings account. No touching it. This becomes your safety net. Build up to $3,000 saved by the end of month 3. Month 4, double down. Take your side hustle seriously. Treat it like a business. Find clients. Scale your service. Aim for $500 to $800 per month now. Meanwhile, explore a simple product to sell, print-on-demand t-shirts, digital downloads, or even selling on Etsy. Month 5, invest early. Open a brokerage account. No, you don't need thousands to start. Start small, put $50 to $100 in ETFs or index funds like VTI or S&P 500. Don't day trade. Don't chase hype. Let compound interest do its job. Month 6, reinvest profits. Use money earned from freelancing or products to invest more. By now, you should have 2 to 3 income streams bringing in $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Keep 3 months' expenses saved. The rest? Invest or grow your business. Months 7 to 8, automate like a boss. Set up these 3 systems. Auto-pay bills. Auto-transfer savings. Auto-investing. This removes emotion from your money. Also, increase your skill rates. What started as $10 per hour can now be $30 plus. Raise your prices. Don't undervalue your time. Month 9, think like an investor. Don't just earn. Think, how can I multiply this? Example, invest $500 per month in ETFs for 12 months equals $6,000 growing steadily. Or reinvest into a side hustle that now pays $2,000 plus per month. Month 10, avoid the traps. This is where most people fail. Don't upgrade your lifestyle. Don't start spending just because you're earning more. No new iPhone. No luxury purchases. Stay lean, focused, and hungry. Month 11, review and refine. Look at what worked. Drop what didn't. What income stream made the most? Scale that. Which investments performed well? Add more. By now, you've probably saved $10,000 to $25,000, invested $6,000 to $10,000, and are on track for 6 figures. Month 12, $100,000 in sight. Maybe you hit $100,000 this month. Maybe it takes 15. Doesn't matter. You've built the habits, income, and mindset to get there, and stay there. Like and subscribe if you're serious about financial freedom. This is just the beginning. Your first $100,000 is the hardest. After that, wealth builds faster than you think.